Hello everyone, my name is Sandeep and you are watching our channel Chalo Pathshala, and we are coming back with another video of the book review which in my hand, which is DRDO MTS book by the Suraz publication। and आज हम इस वीडियो में हम इस बुक का रिव्यू करने वाले हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना किसी रुकावट के। So this is the book of the Suraz publication DRDO uh, MTS book which was published in 2020. I have bought this book from its official website, Suraz Publications, and the pricing of the book is 250 rupees, but the total book is cover covered but the total book price was 300 and something rupees, because it is shifted by a postman through post on my house. So let's get check its syllabus. This book covers three topics, which is general intelligence and reasoning ability, and the quant topic also in numerical ability, and the last one topic is general awareness. Okay, so this is 2020 book, and this is the DRDO MTS exam was based on 10th standard level. So basically this book um, covers only 10th standard topics which we studied in our 10th standard. So let's get check book. So this book doesn't cover any topic because it seems to be like a practice set. If you have to gain some conceptual knowledge, so this book is not for you. This book only for those students who prepare from another book and started their last revision of the exam, so he or she can bought this book as a revision paper or test paper, not the whole syllabus. So this book covers lots of topic, just like general intelligence and reasoning topic, and this book has only questions, not the concepts in this book. And this is the DRDO MTS syllabus. The mode of examination was online, which was not held yet since I last filled this form in March 2020, but nowadays exam was not held, and there should be delayed for the exam due to COVID-19 pandemic. And this is the CBT. This exam consists of two stages. First one is CBT screening. In CBT 1, there the student should be attempt three sections, which is reasoning ability and general awareness, and the numerical ability, which covers 30 and 35 questions. The maximum marks was 30 is 35, 30 and 35. The duration of the whole exam is 90 minutes. So students be prepared for it, and if a student qualify this exam, so they can send to next level, which is tier 2. In tier 2 you have to see general syllabus of the physics, chemistry and mathematics, which you have studied in your 10th standard. Okay, so this was the pattern of the DRDO MTS, and let's see the inner parts of the book. So This is the arithmetic and quantitative aptitude portion. This book is only a practice set book, not whole as a book which you prepare. This is its general awareness parts. Let's get see which are the topics given in this book. General awareness topic that given are in this book is Indian history, art and culture, Indian polity, countries and capitals, geography, inventions and discoveries, general science, genetic mutations and disorders, environmental ecology, famous places in India, UNO, Indian book and authors, space, science, technology, sports and awards. So these are the topics which is given in this book. But this again I said that this book is only a revision purpose basis, not the whole exam. So be careful while you bought this book. Okay, so this is the review of this DRDO MTS book by the Suraj Publications. If you found this video informative, so please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please like this video and share with your friends who need this video. So we will meet in another video. uh, goodbye and meet you next time. Thank you.